Family vacations, we dream of them. We picture smiling faces, new adventures, and memories made to last a lifetime. But often, the reality is different. Packing becomes a chore. Schedules go haywire, kids get bored, stress takes over. Don't let the stress steal the joy of travel. With a little planning and a positive attitude, family trips can be everything you dream of and more. It's about shifting your mindset and embracing the journey just as much as the destination. Remember, the goal is to create shared experiences, not to follow a rigid itinerary. So, take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to embark on unforgettable adventures with your loved ones. Let's turn those travel dreams into stress-free realities. Let's face it, traveling with kids, especially young ones, presents unique challenges. First, there's the packing. So many things to remember. Diapers, snacks, changes of clothes, the list seems endless. Then, there are the inevitable delays. Flights get delayed, traffic piles up, and suddenly your carefully planned schedule is thrown off course. This can lead to meltdowns, both from kids and parents alike. Keeping kids entertained on long journeys is another hurdle. Restless children and cramped spaces don't always mix well. Add in the pressure of keeping everyone happy and engaged, and it's no wonder family trips can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, there are ways to conquer these common travel challenges and make your trip enjoyable for everyone. The key to stress-free family travel? Planning. But don't worry, this doesn't mean creating a rigid minute-by-minute itinerary. Instead, focus on simple strategies that set you up for success. First, choose your destination wisely. Consider your family's interests and travel styles. Looking for beaches and relaxation? Or perhaps an adventure-filled city break? Next, involve your children in the planning process. Let them help choose activities, research destinations, or even pack their own bags. This creates excitement and gives them a sense of ownership over the trip. Finally, pack smart. Pack light to avoid lugging heavy suitcases. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space and prevent wrinkles. And don't forget a first aid kit and plenty of snacks to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Section 4. Keeping kids happy entertainment on the go. Long flights or road trips can be challenging with kids, but with a little preparation you can keep them entertained and engaged throughout the journey. Pack a fun bag filled with new toys, books, and activities. Small, inexpensive items work best. Think coloring books, sticker books, travel games, or even a deck of cards. Technology can be a lifesaver too. Load up your tablet with their favorite movies, shows, or educational apps. Don't forget headphones to avoid disturbing other passengers. And of course, snacks are your best friend. Pack a variety of healthy and appealing snacks to keep those energy levels up. Fruit, crackers, granola bars, and small sandwiches are all great options. Section 5. Embracing the unexpected. Flexibility is key. No matter how well you plan, things will inevitably go wrong on a family trip. Flights get delayed, weather changes, and kids have meltdowns. That's okay. The key is to embrace the unexpected and be flexible. Remember, it's not about sticking to a rigid schedule. It's about enjoying the journey and creating memories together. If your flight is delayed, use it as an opportunity to play games in the airport, read a book together, or simply relax and chat. If the weather throws a wrench in your plans, find an indoor activity or adjust your itinerary. Remember, sometimes the best memories are made from unplanned adventures. Section 6. Creating lasting memories, the joy of family adventures. Family travel is about more than just checking destinations off a list. It's about creating lasting memories, strengthening bonds, and experiencing the world together. So put down your phones, disconnect from the digital world, and truly connect with your loved ones. Engage in conversations, tell stories, play games, and savor every moment. Remember, the most important souvenir you'll bring home from your travels is the memories you make together. So pack your bags, grab your family, and embark on an unforgettable adventure. Embrace the chaos, cherish the moments, and create memories that will last a lifetime.